Where do we begin to behold the glory of this beautiful 1957 Crown Imperial Southampton? This is a spectacular survivor class, low mileage original, driven just 30,000 miles. And further enhancing the appeal of this car is that gorgeous emerald green finish. This is the epitome of luxury and power. HEMI power. Under the hood is a 325 horsepower HEMI engine. This fine automobile will outdrive virtually every other 1957 car on the road. Style-wise, this is the most modern car to roll off an assembly line in the year of 1957. In every way, this car is truly a space-age spectacular. Look at those tail fins, those tail lights, that bumper, and that flight sweep deck lid. This car is loaded with details, and they are beautiful. Look how clean and nice that is. The Imperial Eagle. There are 4 of them on the car. 7 Imperial scripts and 10 crowns. And look at those, well, classic Saturn trim rings. The epitome of space-age styling. There's a crown for you. And look at the commanding front end. That beautiful bumper, that gorgeous grille, those quad headlamps. And the official greeter, the Imperial Eagle. And there it says it for you again, Imperial. And I love the wheel covers, very elegant and sporty with those 3 spinners. And of course, the exuberance of that Imperial script cannot be understated. The slant of that mirror, very elegant. The color-coordinated factory original interior is truly spectacular. One of the most beautiful I have ever seen. Of course, the car is loaded with all the power options. Color-coordinated everything, even the instrument cluster. And those door panels, they're all beautiful. And I love the lurex in the upholstery fabric. The tiara goes inside the car, only in 57. Again, the door panel's beautiful. The back seat looks like it has never been sat in. It is very, very rare to find an original interior as nice as this. No cracks in the steering wheel. The dash is beautiful. And again, a gentle reminder, Imperial with a crown, the beautiful door panels. Absolutely love the way it says Imperial on the sill plate. And the undisputable elegance, this crowning touch, the tiara that comes to a point in the front and also a very delicate point in the rear. Between the color, the quality, and the low mileage, this has to be among the absolute finest survivor class 1957 Crown Imperial Southamptons in existence. If you like them innocent and original, this is the Imperial for you. For more information regarding the purchase of this car, please go to charlesphoenix.com.